How strong is the AI impact on mechanical engineering? Watch to find out. In this video, we will explore the tremendous impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on the field of mechanical engineering. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized various industries, and now it's making its way into the world of mechanical engineering. From designing and manufacturing processes to optimizing complex systems, AI is transforming the way engineers work. Join us as we delve into the countless ways AI is revolutionizing mechanical engineering, and explore the exciting future it holds for this field. Introduction. Host, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to take a deep dive into the impact of artificial intelligence on the field of mechanical engineering. Over the past few years, AI has emerged as a game changer in various industries, and today we will explore its influence on mechanical engineering. So, let's jump right in. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is an ever-evolving technology that simulates human intelligence in machines. It has rapidly transformed various fields, and now, it's making its presence felt in the realm of mechanical engineering. The integration of AI in this field is paving the way for innovative advancements, enhanced productivity, and amplified efficiency. Designing and manufacturing complex systems has always been a significant challenge for engineers. However, with AI-powered tools, engineers can now optimize their designs and streamline the manufacturing process. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data and generate optimal solutions, enabling engineers to create more efficient and reliable machines and structures. Furthermore, AI aids in automating routine tasks, allowing engineers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their work. Repetitive processes such as quality control, inspections, and data analysis can now be efficiently handled by AI systems. This not only saves valuable time but also reduces human error, resulting in higher accuracy and precision in mechanical engineering projects. One area within mechanical engineering where AI is making a notable impact is predictive maintenance. With the help of sensors and machine learning algorithms, AI can assess the condition of machinery in real time. By analyzing collected data, AI can accurately predict maintenance requirements, thus preventing potential breakdowns and reducing downtime. This proactive approach saves costs and optimizes operations for various industries. Additionally, AI is playing a crucial role in the development of autonomous systems, such as self-driving vehicles and robotic automation. Through advanced perception and decision-making algorithms, AI enables these systems to adapt to their environment and perform tasks with minimal human intervention. This advancement not only enhances safety but also opens up new opportunities across several sectors. The future of mechanical engineering is being shaped by the accelerated integration of AI. As the technology progresses, we can expect even more sophisticated algorithms, improved machine learning models, and advanced robotics. With such advancements, AI will continue to revolutionize mechanical engineering, ultimately redefining how we design, build, and maintain complex systems. Outro. Host. And that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you enjoyed exploring the significant role AI plays in the world of mechanical engineering. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts on AI's impact on mechanical engineering, please leave a comment down below. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.